Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni Piccola Espresso machine. Now for this machine we gave it a tune up, replacing all these gaskets that you see right here. These are coming from the side glass itself, a couple of the piston ones, all these little gaskets that you see here, all are coming from this machine. We also had to replace these ones, as this one that you see right here was leaking all over the place and it was not there you go, the threads are worn out as you can see right there, and it was not securing very well and it was leaking all over the place. We had to replace it with a much more better one out of metal instead. So yeah, that's all what we did. We replaced all the gaskets from the group head to clean everything inside. Descaled the inner tube from the group head that goes from the boiler to the group head. We also cleaned the machine and polished it. There was this kind of film, kind of grime or something like oil on top of the machine that it was in there. There was some scale buildup as well in here, so we will clean that up and make it all nice and pretty. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, and for this machine it is very important to have the right grind settings, otherwise as soon as you raise this lever, a bunch of water will just start shooting through here and it will just channel through your coffee and you will not be able to extract it. So hopefully I pick up the right ones. We're raising the lever. Now the chamber over here in the group head is filling up with water, and now we can push. And as you can see, it was very fast. It was not the way it's supposed to. You're supposed to slowly push it. So the grind settings that I used were coarser, and it needed a much finer grind instead of the coarser one. Yeah, you can see that it channeled through there. There you go, you can see that it channeled through there instead of actually pressurizing and going through there. So it definitely was coarse. Still, we were able to get a little bit of crema, and we were still able to do a job. The steamer for this machine, while it is crooked, it's still working and it does not leak anywhere or anything like that. It's working perfectly fine. Nice pressure coming out from the one. We don't see it because we have the door open. It's a little bit hard today. So there you have it, the Pavoni Piccola working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee, and subscribe to the channel.